Hey folks, my name is Karthik Rajendran. I'm one of the editors here at Reliable Plant Magazine. We're excited to bring you this article by Eric Whitley that we're going to be featuring in this month's issue. It's on the 5 crucial reasons predictive analytics is a game changer for manufacturing workforce optimization. Industry 4.0 has radically transformed the manufacturing landscape, ushering in a digital era marked by interconnectedness and smart technology. This revolution extends beyond automation. Manufacturing now relies on data-driven decision-making, with Industry 4.0 being the catalyst for this profound change. Human expertise has remained crucial, evolving alongside technology to sustain productivity and innovation. Predictive analytics, a key component of this shift, employs advanced algorithms and machine learning to interpret data and provide a competitive edge in preemptive decision-making. Here are 5 compelling reasons predictive analytics is a game changer for manufacturing workforce optimization. Reason number 1, forecasting workforce trends. By analyzing past and present trends, predictive analytics projects future scenarios and enables managers to prepare for upcoming demands and changes in the workforce. Reason 2, proactive skill gap analysis. Predictive analytics can identify potential skill gaps before they impact production. Analyzing trends and predicting future requirements enables proactive planning for training and development. Reason number 3, reducing workforce attrition. The cost of turnover can be substantial, and manufacturers must navigate this terrain skillfully. Predictive analytics can help by identifying potential exits and enabling preemptive actions. Reason number 4, enhancing production scheduling. The alignment of workforce availability with production schedules is critical for operational success. Predictive analytics enhance production scheduling by forecasting workforce availability, better aligning human resources with production needs. And finally, reason number 5, mitigating risks and ensuring safety. Data-driven insights derived from predictive analytics can help proactively identify and address potential hazards, ultimately resulting in a safer work environment. Predictive analytics holds transformative power in manufacturing and offers rich insights for efficiency, safety, and productivity. Embracing these tools is pivotal for industry leaders and paves the way for a more efficient, safe, and innovative manufacturing future.